Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Dania Cahya Fitara from the Faculty of Economic and Business, State University of Surabaya. On this occasion, I will present my research entitled Determinant of Intention to Purchase Halal, Product Through Halal Certification, Food Quality, Brand, Halal Awareness, and Marketing Promotion at PT Sarana Indoguna Lestari, Surabaya, under the guidance of Dr. Maryam binti Badrul Munir. Next. The halal product industry continues to grow rapidly in Indonesia. However, what factors truly motivate consumers to purchase halal product? This study aims to analyze the influence of 5 variables: halal certification, food quality, brand halal awareness, and marketing promotion on purchase intention. The primary objective is to identify which variables are most influential. Next. The object of this research is PT Sarana Indoguna Lestari Surabaya, a food product distribution company including meat and fishery that serves hotel, restaurant, cafes, and catering in Surabaya and its surroundings. Next. This research is based on Achtzen's 1991 theory of planet behavior, which explains that a person's attitudes and beliefs about a behavior will influence their intention. In this context, belief in a product's halal status, awareness of its importance, and exposure to promotion will shape purchase intention. Next. This study used a quantitative approach with a 5-point Likert scale questionnaire survey. The sample consisted of 173 respondents, employees of PT Sarana Indoguna Lestari Surabaya, who were selected purposefully. The data were processed using SPSS with stacks of validity testing, reliability, classical assumption, multiple linear regression, and hypothesis testing. Next. The majority of respondents were male, 73.4%, with the largest age range being 30 to 39 years old, 59.5%. The most frequently requested positions were delivery drivers, 15%, marketing, 14.5%, and accounting, 9.8%. Next. This slide displays a summary of descriptive statistics for each research variable, including the mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum values. Overall, respondents rate all variables with highly, particularly halal awareness and halal certification. Next. All statement items in the questionnaire are declared valid because the calculated R value is greater than the table R with a significant below 0.05. For reliability, all variables have a Cronbach alpha above 0.60. So this research instrument is reliable. Next. In the classical assumption test, the initial model, which includes 5 variables, failed the normality test. After the food quality variable was eliminated, the model returned to normal. No signs of multicollinearity were found. However, in the heteroscedasticity test, The brand variable solved problems and had to be eliminated. Next. Thus, two variables had to be removed from the model. Food quality was eliminated because it failed the normality test, and brand was eliminated because of heteroscedasticity. The final The final model includes only three independent variables: halal certification, halal awareness, and marketing promotion. Next. The resulting regression equation is y equals 2891 plus 0.273 times halal certification plus 0.998 times halal awareness plus 0.708 times marketing promotion. This means that halal awareness has the greatest influence on purchase intention, followed by marketing promotion and halal certification. Next. The R-square value 0.708 indicates that 70.8% of the variation in purchase intention can be explained by these three variables. The F-test saw a significant simulations effect with an F-count 136.368. Partially to the t-test, the three variables are also proven to be significant. Next. In conclusion, the three variables shown to significantly influence the intention to purchase halal product are halal certification, halal awareness, and marketing promotion. Meanwhile, food quality and brand were not significantly influential in the context of this study. Next. The contribution of this research lies in the combination of halal aspect and marketing strategies in the context of distribution companies, not end consumers. Furthermore, the model adjustment process through the elimination of invalid variables demonstrates methodological rigor. Next. This study has several limitations. First, the variable tests are limited and do not include other factors such as religiosity, price, service, trust, or digital marketing. Second, respondents only came from one company, PT Sarana Indoguna Lestari Surabaya, so the result cannot be broadly generalized. Third, there were methodological constraints in the classical assumption test requiring the author to eliminate two variables. To test for normality, the author conducted a Kolmogorov-Smirnov test on variable x1 through x5 with respect to y. The result showed an asymmetric value of 0.042, less than 0.05, indicating a non-normal distribution. The author then eliminates variable x2, food quality, and retested the asymmetric value 0.058, indicating a normal distribution of the data. In the heteroscedasticity test, variable x3 brand had a significance value less than 0.05. Thus, failing the test, the author then eliminates x3 and retested variable x1, x4, and x5. The result showed that none of the variable exhibits heteroscedasticity. The elimination of food quality and brand does not mean that the two variables are conceptually unimportant, but rather that their statistical presence disrupts the classical assumption of regression. This demonstrates the importance of testing the classical assumption to ensure a valid and reliable model. Next. Practically, companies are advised to strengthen halal certification, increase halal awareness education, and optimize promotions that emphasize halal aspect. For further research, it is recommended to add variables, expand the population, and conduct comparative studies. Thanks. That is my presentation. Thank you for your attention, audience. I apologize if there are any mistakes in my words or action. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.